Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to manage your payroll using the Odoo. So first thing that we should do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out odoo.com. That's right, and then you will be directed to this website. And as you can see right here, we have the different tools that we can use if we are going to sign up to this tool. All right, so to sign up, you just have to click on the start now. It's free option. That's right. And then after that, you just have to choose your apps. So free instant access, no credit card required. So for the website, we have these options for sales, for finance, for services, for productivity, for supply chain, marketing, and human resources. So here, under the human resources, we have here now the payroll. So we are just going to choose this one. All right, so I'm just going to focus on this app and click on continue after that. All right, so right here, you just have to type out your first and your last name, the name of your company, your email, your phone number, and then your country, your language, the company size, and then the primary interest. After that, you just have to click on start now. So after signing up for an account, you will be directed to this section or to your dashboard. So now let us start creating our first user or our first employee. So starting off with the name. So I'm just going to name this employee. Okay, so I'm just going to type out Claire Robin. After that, you just have to type out right here the email of this employee. After that, their work phone, their work mobile, and then for example, their founder, motorized, and etc. So you can put that right here. Now for the work details, so here for the department, I'm going to select administration, and for the job position, for example, okay, sales manager. Just going to use this one as our example. After that, the job title. Here, the next thing that you are going to do is to add here the location. So the work location of this employee, and then the usual work location. So if you like to specify so office, Tuesday, and for Wednesday, say for example, home base, and for Thursday, office, and for Friday. All right, and then if you'd like to provide additional information about this version, so you just have to add it right here. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the chart, and then for the resume, so you just have to create a resume lines right here. You can also add skills from the library to the employee profiles if skills are missing, so they can be created by an HR officer right here. And then for the certification, you can also add that right here. For the personal info, all right, so you have to get the personal info of your employee. That's right, and then after that, we have here now the payroll. Okay, so for the payroll, we have here the contract. Okay, so 24 to indefinite. So yeah, just going to leave this one. And then for the wage type, so we have fixed or hourly wage. And then you just have to put right here the hourly wage. So for example, 300 pesos or $6. Right, and then for the wage you just have to put it right here. Then for the employee type, if it is a worker, student, trainee, contractor, or freelancer. Then for the contract type, okay, so permanent. Then for the pay category, so of course it is employee. All right, so if you would like to add working hours right here or the schedule, you just have to add inputs. And then for the salary adjustment, so you can add salary adjustment right here if you want to. Just simply click on this one. All right, so just have to put here the type, and then you can also add here notes. So this one is optional, reason or reference. So just going to skip that part. Now for our settings, all right, so we have here the user, the approvers, and then the attendance point of sale. So after that, you just have to click on the create user option at the top left of your screen. Okay, and click on save after that. Okay, so once you're done, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to launch your plan. Okay, so here for your plan, it's if it is an offboarding or onboarding. So we have here the due date. Just have to schedule. All right, for example, 27, and then yeah. So here, just click on the schedule option, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then you'll be able to see here now the plan activities. All right, and then here for the payslips, we can check here now the payslip of this employee. And then right here, you can now send a message to this employee as well. All right, and then you just have to type it right here, your message. And now let's go to our dashboard. Okay, so right here, you'll be able to see the pay runs, the warnings, and then your notes, and then the employee count, and then the employer cost. Okay, so let's go to our employee section. You'll be able to see here now our employees, all of our employees. We have here our pay slips and pay runs. We have our reporting, and then we also have our configuration. So basically, using the Odoo Run Payroll is a powerful feature within the Odoo ERP system that simplifies payroll management for business of all sizes. It also automates salary computations, deductions, and contributions while ensuring accuracy and compliance with local labor laws. So the system allows HR managers to easily generate pay slips, manage the employer records, and keep all the payroll data organized in one place. Additionally, the Odoo integrates payroll with other business modules like accounting and HR, making it easier to track the expenses and maintain financial transparency. So employees can also access their pay slips and personal information through the self-service portal, reducing manual inquiries and paperwork. And overall, the Odoo Run Payroll helps streamline the entire payroll process, improving efficiency and accuracy across an organization. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.